Hi, I'm Nanshe. First of all, I'd like to really thank you for all your support during the COVID crisis. I haven't had to close my doors very long and I haven't had to close my business. So thank you. I really appreciate your support coming into the shop, going to my website and purchasing my work. Oh, and opening my emails. Thank you. Today I would just like to give you a little bit of a rundown on my new product range, which is my scarves. Now all my scarves have my images on them, as I have around 30,000 of them from being an artist since I was in my 20s. So these are my pride and joy at the moment. I'm so enjoying making them. I have been initially purchasing these print-on-demand scarves from a place in Melbourne. The material has been synthetic, silk-like synthetic, and even though these scarves are beautiful on the skin and they're lovely, 130 centimetres square large, very useful pieces of material, I have been looking for more natural materials for those of you who would like my images in a more natural format. It was very difficult trying to find somewhere that was ethical and printed in Australia. I ended up finally finding two places. One is in Montreal and one is in the UK. So unfortunately, that means that the scarves that I am now taking onto my online store will take up to 30 days to get to you because of the absolute overload of the mail and the cleaning of everything, of course, on the way here. The upside of that is you have a very great choice of beautiful fabrics, from silk haboti to real silk georgette, real silk satin, and this beautiful one here, mulmul, which is from the mulberry tree. I'm loving also that my images now can be not only in the square scarves or the larger scarves, but now in different sized scarves. So there are long ones and small square ones and oblong ones, all in any of those materials that you would like to choose from. And that I'm finding really exciting. So I hope you will find it really exciting if you do order one of my scarves and get it through the mail, and it feels beautiful and it's the perfect thing that you are requiring for your next gorgeous outing. So thank you for listening to me and hearing about my new excitement. I do send a lot of my products through my emails, so I'm sorry about that, but I just get excited. I want you to see them all. I want you to see what I've been doing, and I want you to have access to owning some of my creations. So thanks for being here, and take care in this crisis.